In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix sorry, it looks like something's not working right now on BBC website. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are experiencing this while you are using iPlay or official BBC website, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, you want to open your browser again and try to troubleshoot it. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome, so I'll just go to these three dots and then go to settings. From settings, look for this option, privacy and security, and under it look for delete browsing data. Now under this, choose the length of time you wish to delete data. For my case, I want to delete for the last 24 hours, and make sure you check the below options. Once you are done, now confirm by clicking on delete data, and this will clear your browsing data. Now you need to restart your browser and see if the problem has been fixed. However, even after restarting your browser, you still have the same challenge. Then try and use a different browser to see if the problem will go away. In most cases, now everything should be okay. However, if it still doesn't work, then most likely you might be using a VPN that is causing this. For that, you'll need to turn it off or uninstall it. And also, if you have any recently installed security app, uninstall it, as this might be causing this challenge. However, if that still fails, then most likely BBC might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes, and now if you go back to BBC, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.